Yes, sir.
Please introduce yourself.
Sir, I am Anurag Gaud. I am from Raebareli, Uttar Pradesh. I have done my graduation from Ramjas College and post graduation from IIT Delhi in physics.
Are you comfortable with the mask?
No, sir.
Are you comfortable?
सर वो नीचे स्लिप कर
You can put it down.
Okay, thanks.
Yes, please.
Sir, in 10 plus 2 I have done NSS and in graduation I participated in college election and elected as Vice President of College Students Union. Currently I am preparing for CAPF. This is my fourth attempt, sir.
What?
Yes.
This is your fourth attempt.
Yes, sir.
What kind of mistake you have committed in the earlier attempts?
Sir, two times physical, it was in 100 meters. Um,
Why you are so unconscious about your career?
no, sir, I don't think, sir, I am unconscious about career. It is a well planned career, sir. In previous attempts also I have gone for armed forces. Basically, I have attempted for NDA and then CDS, but I was unable to qualify, and that's why I am going for CAPF, sir. Basically, the basic motive is, sir, for the uniform job, and also the region from where I belong, it is Awadh region, sir. So it has a traditional background of army, and in my locality also, sir, there are people in each and every house that are in army or some police forces. So that is the motivation, sir.
Watching Indian historical serials.
Yes, sir.
Please specify the genre. What kind of genre you like?
Sir, sorry, sir, I'm unable to.
What kind of historical serials you watch?
Like, sir, Indian historical, like, sir, Purash, Chandragupta Maurya, that are in television sets.
Anything else?
No, sir.
How this can be hobby?
Sir, in part time, after doing a lot of work, for fulfillment of desires and getting some knowledge also. So I think, sir, it gives happiness as well as knowledge about past and learning from the past. So in that way, sir, I think that that developed in some time as hobby, sir.
See, today the whole world has been experiencing the COVID-like situation.
Yes, sir.
And that is the epidemic one.
Yes, sir.
So what you have learned from the past, and how will you improve your present?
Sir, in like COVID-like situations, so we have to prepare for such type of biological epidemics in future also, and as per the Ministry of Health, second wave and further waves can also become. So we have to also prepare for accordingly for that. Our health infrastructure, we have to take care of that. Like initially, when this pandemic came, so we don't have basic facilities in many hospitals. So in that aspect, we have to increase, sir. And
You have done your MSc in 2016 from
yes, sir.
IIT Delhi.
Yes, sir.
Then why you are coming to Central Armed Police Forces?
Sir, as a sir MSc in physics, sir, doesn't mean going in research and other works. And I think, sir, that by studying science, there is more analytical development and logical reasoning, so that can be applicable in forces. And there is initial motivation behind forces. That's why, sir, I am going for CPFs.
Don't you don't think that you have been wasting the time of government? You have been doing from the reputed institutions.
No, sir, I have done from a reputed institute. That is plus point for going in CAPF. I can use my these analytical skills in CAPFs and do better work. So I think, sir, that is not wasting of resources.
Tell me the 5 practical implications of physics as an assistant command. Suppose you would be appointed as an
Yes, sure.
assistant commandant, and you have to practically implement your knowledge of physics in the field.
Sir, I said, like in physics, when we go for experiment, so last experiment actually improves our next experiment. So in that sense, what in CAPFs, I can interact with our seniors and knowing their experiences as well as my juniors, their experiences in particular terrain, about a particular location like the left wing extremism areas in the tri junction of Chhattisgarh, Odisha, and Telangana. So their geographical areas and technological applications like unmanned aerial vehicles and sir, mine protected vehicles. In these things, sir, better understanding can be developed. So I think that will help in understanding these.
Why SLB is your first option?
Sir, there are many reasons for SBH first option. First thing is, sir, the familiarity with the border areas. I am from Uttar Pradesh, so first is the local language and better understanding of. And second thing is, sir, I wrote the MHA report. Their promotional avenues are also very good. Like the residency time and the actual time of promotion in SSP is there is less difference. So from assistant commandant to second in command and deputy commandant, there is approximately 10 years. In other forces, this is more like CRPF and BSF. It is more. And sir, other reason is that, sir, SSP is a diverse force. What I think is that it is a border guarding force as well as a lead intelligence agency. And presently, the 3 battalions are deployed in Bihar, 2 battalions each deployed in Chhattisgarh and Jammu Kashmir. So it has diverse role like militancy in Jammu and Kashmir and sir, LWE in
Who is the Director General of SLB?
sorry, sir, I am unaware of.
Which historical serial is your favorite?
Sir, Porush. Porush.
Okay, tell me about Chandragupta Maurya.
Sir, Chandragupta Maurya, sir, was brought up by the assistance of his guru Chanakya, also called as Vishnugupta, in the age of Mahajanpad. And he established the Magad Empire. Sorry, sir. Magad Empire, and that was the largest empire during the time of Chandragupta. And there is also cultural relations with the northwestern boundaries, and other regions. Trade also developed very much. So that was the first empire which have almost entire coverage in the whole of the India.
Okay, you belongs from Raebareli.
Yes, sir.
This is part of Awadh or Rohilkhand?
Sir, it is part of Awadh.
Awadh.
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me about the major characteristics of the Awadh in cultural aspect.
Sir, in cultural aspects, sir, there was poetic expressions as well as sir, the birthplace of sir, can I take something? Sir, sir, birthplace of I think sir Kabir and other many poets. Like in Raebareli also, Acharya Mahavir Prasad Dwivedi. He born in Daulatpur, Raebareli, and he's a great poet of Dwivedi Yuga. So, sir, cultural aspect this and sir, proper when we talk about Lucknow, so in Lucknow, sir, there was artistic expressions like the chicken curry of Lucknow, and sir, architecture-wise, if we go, then there is Imambara and.
What are the major festival in our region?
Sir, specific festivals, sir, I am unaware of. But sir, these festivals like general festivals like Holi, Eid, these are celebrated.
Okay, can you tell me 5 programs or operations conducted by Government of India to prevent the COVID-19?
Sir, COVID-19. Sir, basically, sir, a few models evolved during COVID-19, like the Kerala model and Sir Bhilwara model. Also, the Agra model initially came.
I'm asking about the program and operations.
Sorry, not aware.
Okay. Tell me some major social issues of the Uttar Pradesh.
Sir, one social, sir, first thing what I see is that, sir, there is the patriarchal mindset and associated crimes with women. Then social atrocities, Dalit atrocities. Second thing, and third, sir, there is also the gender disparity and economic opportunities for women is less. Then, sir, agricultural agriculture in field of agriculture there is sir, fragmentation of land holding and less amount of land in.
What about the headlines in today's newspaper?
Sir, one headline is related to, sir, Prime Minister Narendra Modi visiting Kevadia and seaplane related. And, sir, sorry, sir.
Okay, tell me what is the Statue of Unity?
Yes, sir. Statue of Unity, sir, 182-meter tallest statue of world, and around a cost of 3,000 crore. So it is in the spirit of Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat and promote cultural unity among Indians. And also develop that place as a tourist spot.
Yesterday, the Prime Minister of India had launched the seaplane service.
Yes.
What are the seaplanes?
Sir, like the normal planes, sir, they land in land surface. The seaplanes basically they land, sir, in water surface. That is the difference I see, sir.
The same.
Rest time.
What is the full form of Inspire?
Sir, no, sir, I don't have.
There might be some kind of.
Sir, it's basically, sir, a program to attract the youth in science and technology, but, sir, full form I'm not able to recall, sir, at this moment.
When IIT Delhi was established,
Sir, in 1961.
what is its motto?
Sir, it's moved during time of independence after 1947. So there was less focus, and there was less resources to develop technology. So it was for technological enhancement, sir.
Motto might be there, huh?
Sir,
You got the degree from IIT Delhi,
yes, sir.
so they might have given some kind of motto.
Sir, can I guess, sir?
This one.
I think, sir, Tamshuma Jyotirgamay.
And what about the Ramdas College?
Yes, sir. No, sir, not.
IIT Delhi,
Sir, Tamshuma Jyotirgamay.
and the same is about the IIT Delhi also.
No, sir, it is of IIT Delhi. About
Delhi.
Ramjas College, sir, I am not, sir,
Delhi
very sure.
University.
No, sir, not all.
You have appeared in civil services examination
Yes,
in 4 times.
Yes, sir.
This time you are appearing for mains also.
No, sir, I was unable to qualify these prelims.
In 19 you have appeared in mains.
Yes, sir, 19. CC 19.
Suppose you would be appointed as an civil services, in civil service examination. Will you leave this Central Armed Police Forces?
Sir, yes, sir, I will go for that because that provide greater responsibilities. And in that forces also, sir, basic motto behind is, sir, I will go for IPS. So that is the uniform job, and sir, that will give me more responsibility and more connect to the people. So I think that, sir, the basic responsibility area will brought, and
It means you have more inclination towards the civil services examination rather than Central Armed Police Forces.
no, as sir, inclination is not, sir. Basically, the motive is, sir, uniform job, and In that case also, my first preference will be IPS, and sir, what I think that these are the forces whose motive is basically same. They are working for the law and order, maintaining public order, and security integrity of nation. So, being CAPF as well as IPS, the responsibilities area of responsibilities get different, but the basic motto is same. So, I think, sir, I will prefer for that.
How many general insurance companies are there in your country?
Sir, I think, sir, 72.
General insurance company.
Sir, one general insurance company.
Huh?
One.
One.
Yes, sir.
And life insurance?
So that is not part of general insurance. That is health insurance, health and sir, not sir general insurance.
Is there any difference between the general insurance and life insurance?
Yes, sir. In general insurance, sir, there is sir non-living things like the shop or vehicle. Any damage happened to them, then sir that came in front. But in life insurance part, there is damage of life, associated damage of life, and that is covered in life insurance, sir.
Mr. Anurag, please tell me why I should select you as an assistant commandant.
Sir, I think that, sir, I am a dedicated person and hardworking as well, and I can do better work in favor of nation, and I think that I will able to utilize my abilities well in forces. That's why, sir, I think I am a suitable candidate for CPF. And rest thing that, sir, the hobby hobby I have pursued, like watching historical serials, so it gives a dedication of motivating people like Jawans. So I think I will be better able to motivate my Jawans, and this will also help me being a better assistant commandant. Like in difficult situations, there is chances that the Jawans get demotivated, so it will help, and I can better motivate them. And I also acted like sir, vice president in my college students union. That also give me an edge to motivate and work in a coordinated manner with people and in coordinated effort for the well-being and security of a country.
Suppose you are appointed as an assistant commandant
Yes, sir.
in the Naxal affected district
Yes, sir.
of Chhattisgarh.
Yes, sir.
You are in conflicting situation
Yes, sir.
with the Naxalis.
Yes, sir.
Your and one of the most wanted Naxalis was in front of you.
Yes, sir.
Your boss has ordered you to shoot him.
Yes, sir.
What will you do?
Sir, I think, sir, shooting is not an option.
It's boss order.
Yes, sir, it can be the boss order sometimes, sir. I first thing, sir, I will ask for a written order, and if that is the only option left, if we can capture him alive, or there are chances that after few days there is chances of capturing. So I will try to capture him alive and force him and the people under him to bring him in the mainstream. So, sir, I will go for that because the shooting is not option. They are the misguided people.
What kind of thought you have been giving that is not applicable? Rather, your boss has ordered to shoot him. What will you do?
Sir, I will try to convince my boss about that. Sir,
He is not convinced. Yes, said you. I have ordered and you have to do what I have said.
sir, then I will go say for written written.
He has said, I am your boss.
Sir, yes.
Do you require the written at that time?
Sir, boss following the order of boss is a good thing, but sir.
Yes, please.
But sir, every time, sir, we must also have to work under the constitutional foundations, and taking someone's life is not our task. Our task is to capture them and handle to the